Ever looked in the mirror and thought, wait, when did these necklines show up? Don't worry, you're not aging overnight, and you don't need expensive treatments to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome to Natural Cure's Secret. Today we are sharing simple and natural remedies you can do at home to smooth out those lines and keep your neck looking youthful. You'll be surprised how easy it is. Let's dive in. How to get rid of necklines. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is one of nature's best-kept skincare secrets. It's loaded with antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E, and has powerful anti-aging and healing properties. To use it, simply cut open a fresh aloe leaf, scoop out the gel, and massage it gently onto your neck in upward motions. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Your skin will drink it up. Do this daily, and over time, you'll notice your skin feeling more hydrated, firm, and refreshed. It's like a mini spa treatment, but straight from your kitchen. Or you can just check the description below to get the best organic aloe vera gel for your skin, body, and hair. Coconut oil massage. Next up, good old coconut oil. This natural moisturizer is rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which help nourish and repair the skin. Warm a few drops between your palms and gently massage your neck every night before bed. Focus on circular motions and always move upwards, never down. This boosts blood circulation, relaxes your muscles, and gives your skin the nourishment it needs to stay soft and supple. Plus, it smells amazing. For the best result, use 100% organic extra virgin coconut oil. Check link in the description. Neck exercises. Now here's something most people skip, but it works wonders. Neck exercises. Doing just 5 minutes a day can help tighten the muscles underneath your skin and improve elasticity. Try simple moves like chin lifts, where you tilt your head back and push your lower lip upward. Or neck stretches. Gently tilt your head side to side and hold each stretch for a few seconds. Finish with slow, controlled neck rolls. These exercises boost blood flow, fight sagging, and even improve posture. No gym required. DIY anti-aging neck mask. Make a super easy DIY neck mask that helps exfoliate, brighten, and firm your skin using ingredients you probably already have at home. You'll need 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, which is packed with lactic acid, gently exfoliates and smooths the skin. 1 teaspoon of raw honey, a natural humectant that locks in moisture and helps with skin repair. A few drops of lemon juice, that is full of vitamin C and best for a brightening boost. Mix everything in a small bowl until it becomes a smooth paste. Apply it generously to your neck and let it sit for about 15 minutes. You might feel a gentle tingling. That's the lemon juice working its magic. After that, rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Your skin will feel clean, fresh, and a little tighter. Use this mask 3 times a week for best results. Hope these will help. Got your own neck care secrets? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay glowing!